on making it. I don't have all the ingredients.
I made 2 trips to the store and I still don't have it, but that's okay.
I actually got the ingredients now, and I honestly don't even know what I'm doing.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
First, need to make like this rocks swirl thing. Okay, so this is supposed to be the little roux thing.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
I just need to heat it up now.
A few moments later.
I got this done, and I think this is how you're supposed to do it. And according to the video, you're supposed to add the milk and the egg now. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, you nasty ass bastard!
Should I move it already? Am I really this stupid? Try our best to revive it, I guess. I just kept mixing it in, and now I just need to do the dough. I don't think I even measured this right, but I need like 2 cups and a half of flour. Oh shit, it's getting a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup. Sugar, and then oh no, it's spilled. A tablespoon of yeast. Okay, so yeah, it's spilled over here, and I don't know if I should just like get more, or just pick it off from the table. Like I don't want to waste it, right? Spoonish, it's like too much. A little bit more than that. I think that's. I just realized I forgot the powdered milk, but there was literally no other powdered milk besides this one. I think it's like a baby formula one, which I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to use, but it's like the only powdered milk. I mean, it should basically be the same thing with like more vegetables, right? Anyways, it's just like 2 tablespoons. It's whatever. If babies can drink it, it might be good too. Who knows? Why did I buy such too much thing? This was the smallest can too. Everybody bought these. Honestly, everything I needed, like everybody bought out. Like it was sold out, and I'm like, but who needs that much, cooking milk? I'm gonna go add the roux and then melted butter. 4 tablespoons of melted butter, basically. Okay, so while we're viewing the clip, I did not notice the filters for the aquarium were gonna be so loud. So I'm sorry you can't hear me over that, but I don't know what I'm doing.
Thou shalt not be a hoe.
Boom, boom, boom.
Stop it. Get some help.
I just sat in one chair for an hour straight just trying to edit videos that I actually forgot I was making bread. So it's been like an hour and a half maybe. I found out what was wrong with it, and so I just kneaded it now, and then I'm gonna put it back for like another hour or just until like I'm done washing all the dishes and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so basically the dough did not rise at all, and I don't know what to do. Kind of like, cause I added oil and then now it's like all sticky. I don't think it's gonna rise. It's really not doing anything. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna use this because it's been sitting here for like an hour or two almost. So yeah. Basically 3 o'clock and I don't even know what I did. I was just downstairs for like an hour and now it's a whole 3 o'clock. She used the scale in the video to show like how much I have, but I don't have one, so we're just gonna eye this out. So she just flattened it out, and then she said like fold it like an envelope. I guess I'm just gonna try to do what she said. So I think it was like this way, and then the other way. And since I don't have a rolling pin, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a cup. It's harder than it looks. Okay, so I think cocoa powder and like water and hope that actually works. The stupidest idea I've ever thought of. Oh my gosh. I think this is the only one I'm gonna do with chocolate. The rest are just gonna be normal. And because I just messed up the whole board, I think I should have just done this one last, but oh well. Wow, the hiccups. And this is how they turned out when I left them to rise. So it does not look anything like the video that was like mentioned. Honestly, I don't really have any hope.
Eternity later.
Started to rise, and
That's what she said.
I think it looks more promising. It looks pretty good actually. So I'm actually excited now. Yeah.
Sir, it's set.
Get out of my car now!
A small serrated knife. I'm just gonna do these ones, I guess.
2 hours later.
It's like, okay. Here is the flavors, kind of. Oh, they're not really seen, but the chocolate one is. I need to clean the stove. So I'm gonna try them. This one, okay, they didn't really come out as a. Hey Google, stop playing. I'm trying to enjoy my moment. They didn't come out right, but they did come out pretty well. because they're supposed to be more fluffier. But this is okay. I'm okay with this. I'll still eat it, you know. But I'll probably attempt to do this in the near future. Until I actually get to it, you know. Me making some Japanese milk bread, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching through the end. If you did, or if you skipped, that's fine too. I just hope you guys learned something besides the fact that I'm a terrible baker. Alright, I see you guys in the next one. Bye.